A quick insight from WellView 365, powered by Fresh News AI. Scalable digital signage across healthcare networks is shifting from an information technology (IT) pilot to a core operations capability and governance challenge. Executive summary. Scalable digital signage is a governed system for managing patient-facing screen content across a healthcare network from a single source of truth. It connects content creation, approvals, and scheduling in one platform, so clinical, operational, and brand standards are applied consistently. The outcome is uniform, auditable messaging that reduces local work, supports patient experience, and makes network-wide communication changes reliably repeatable. Today's signal. Operations leaders are moving digital signage into annual planning because fragmented ownership is blocking network-wide patient communication changes. Budget resets are forcing decisions on which team funds hardware, licenses, and content operations, and which group approves network-wide updates. Without explicit operational ownership, policy and service changes will not reliably reach many patient-facing screens in time. WellView 365 enables centralized content management across departments by standardizing updates and approvals while locking repeatable workflows into steady execution. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, unclear ownership of digital signage leads to different messages and update cadences across sites, creating inconsistent patient instructions. Second, local ad hoc screen updates consume nurse manager, front desk, and clinic lead time that should stay on core operations. Third, budgeting per site for screens, players, and licenses blocks network-wide standardization and complicates support and replacements. Fourth, lack of a defined change and approval path for screen content increases the chance that outdated or unapproved information stays visible to patients. How it works in practice. A common example is a network-wide change to check-in procedures or masking guidance that must appear on many waiting room screens. Marketing drafts the message, compliance reviews language, and local managers email IT or vendors for updates on specific displays or locations. Each site tracks its own playlists, USB sticks, or player configurations, so some screens update quickly while others lag for days or weeks. When a central operations team owns content groups, approval rules, and publishing schedules, one approved change can be scheduled across locations. Audit trails are clear, and local staff are removed from manual content handling. One practical adjustment. This week, assign a single operational owner for network-wide digital signage. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, inventory all current digital signage endpoints, content sources, and owners across sites. Second, map the current workflow from message idea through approval to screen publish, including every handoff. Third, decide which operations function owns digital signage governance, budget, and final content publishing rights. Fourth, define one centralized intake form and publishing calendar for patient-facing screen updates across the network. Read more at wellview365.com.